Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. So this is going to be the next video in the series of demonstration videos regarding how you can operate and report using the district website for the rota year 2020-2021. So just a little heads up again, I'm still going to use RCRCCIT's credentials for this one, and this video is going to be about how you can report meetings and bulletins on the district website. So first of all, once you have logged in, you will obviously see everything that we have reported in the past. So if you have been following the entire series, you might know that we reported two projects in the previous two videos, that is Sankalp Taru and Sankalp Taru 2.2, which can be viewed here. We also reported our roster and all the members can be seen. Now moving on to reporting the meeting, we just need to head over to this step, that is report meeting. Once you are here, again your club's name will be automatically populated. The type of the meeting, say this is an RGM. Select the date of the meeting. Let's say we had a meeting on 15th of August from 12 p.m. to 15th of August 2 p.m. And since the pandemic, say this was held over Google Meet. Now for this is where you have, now this is where you have to submit the proof for the meeting. So you might submit a screenshot if it is an online meeting, or if it is an offline meeting you will have to submit a photograph of where the meeting was conducted. So for this, since this is an URL again, I'll go back to the drive which I organized. um, if you want more information on how it can be done, I have linked a video to the I button above. So I'll move on to this meetings page, and I have two screenshots here. So one is for say joint meeting and the other one is for RGM. So I've just sorted them according to myself, as I RGM first of the year, and say it was conducted on 15th of 15 July. Okay, so I'll just create a sharing URL. Anyone with the link can view. Okay, copy link. I'll move back here and paste the link. Since this was conducted on 15th of July, I'll update these values for the start date and end date time. Once you've submitted the photo URL, now you have to submit the attendance of the meeting. So for example, let's say there were 30 members present with 5 Rotarians and 5 guests, for example. Once you have filled all the details and you confirm that all of them are correct, you just have to hit submit button and it will be reported right here. So as you can see that we just reported RGM on 15/07/2020, that is 15 July 2020. So what if it is a joint meeting? Okay, I'll move on to the report meeting section again, and for board meeting everything will stay exactly the same. You will just have to submit another screenshot URL and say different values of the attendance, different data regarding the attendance. But say if it is a joint meeting, okay, so let's say it was a joint meeting with RC character. First date and time, let's head over to the drive and see it was on 21st 7th. Okay, let's say 21. This was conducted between 7 p.m. to say 21st of July to 8 p.m. Once you're done with this section, then was Google Meet once again. For the photo video URL, I'll head back to the drive and create a sharing link. So make sure all these links are always viewable. Please make sure that happens. Otherwise, you won't get any points for the meetings. I mean, this is how everything that you post is going to be scrutinized. So copy link, paste it here. For participating members, let's say 15 members participated. For Rotarians, say none. For guests, say 15. Once you are sure that everything that you have filled is correct, hit the submit button and then you can see that you have reported a joint meeting on 21st of July 2020. And even if you do report a board meeting, everything will stay the same. You'll just have to submit different data for attendance and for uh, the screenshot or the photograph as a proof. Okay, once this is done, I'll move back to the next section for this video, that is how do you go about reporting your bulletins. So as you might be aware that only regular bulletins are going to fetch you any point this year. So make sure that whatever bulletins you report here are your regular bulletins and not the project bulletins. So we move to the section called report bulletin. Okay, club name has been already populated again. Select the month it is for. So you might be doing bulletins say bi-monthly or quarterly or half-yearly bulletins. So make sure that the month that you have selected is correct. So let's just say I'll select one for September, and for the bulletins URL, I'll go back to the drive and head over to my bulletins folder. So I have a file ready here. I'll just go about sharing the link, and before you copy, make sure that it is available to everybody. So now we copy the link. Make sure you have selected the correct month and paste the bulletin URL here. Once you think everything is correct, just hit submit. And as you can see that we just reported a bulletin for September 2020. Clicking on which it will open the bulletin that you have reported. So this was it for this video. Uh, Please stay tuned for the other videos in the series where we'll be discussing a few of the sections regarding the website. And for any doubt, feel free to hit your zone or leaders up. Thank you so much for tuning in.